black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds are very beneficial for rapid hair growth, in the sense that it aids the hair to grow due to its high levels of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, helping to combat dryness and preventing your hair from dehydrating. It prevents also split ends by hydrating your hair from the inside out. Fenugreek. Fenugreek seeds are rich in iron and protein, which are two of the major essential nutrients when it comes to hair growth. They also contain a combination of plant compounds that are flavonoids and saponins, and these are presumed to help to induce faster hair growth. And this gives it an anti-inflammatory property as well. So fenugreek can help prevent dandruff, it can help fight scalp infections and also damaged hair. So the water now becomes black, as you can see here, and then you get ready to strain it out. So this water is now infused with all the properties of the fenugreek and the black sesame seeds. You can see this black liquid. So this is like liquid gold, and this is what you're going to be using to spray your hair, and this will nourish your hair from the inside out.